let's learn about prepositions. The cat is on the table. Now watch, the cat jumps on the globe. The word is near. The puppy is near the house. See? It stays close. In front of. A dog walks and stops in front of a small house. The ball goes through the ring. Through means to go from one side to the other. Through. The dog is under the table. Under means below something. See? The dog is under. Look! The balloon is above the box. See how it floats up and down still above? Teddy is between the boxes. See? Right between them. That's the word between. Let's go around the tree.
They walk around the green tree.
We're going around and around. Out of the box. The cat jumps out of the box. Into. The ball rolls and goes into the box. The cat is underneath the table. Underneath means below or beneath. The teddy bear is beside the chair. See? Beside means next to. The cat is behind the chair. The cat moves behind the chair. Now the cat is behind the chair. Over. The bird flies over the tree. See? The bird is flying higher, over the tree. Let's see. The ball is on the box. Watch it go in. Now it's inside the box. Next to. The ball is next to the box. See how the ball is right beside the box? That's next to. Look at the balloon. It is moving up. Up means moving higher. The ball is rolling down the hill. Down means from a higher place to a lower place.